था
from Pakistan, but also arms and ammunition like there are grenades, 10 in number, the pistols.
On the basis of that information, we had laid specific motor vehicle checkpoints, and we were successful in apprehending certain people, and we made some recoveries from them. In furtherance to the investigation from and interrogation from these people, we were successful in busting a big narco terror module, which was operating from different places in fact in the UT, as well as some part of it even outside the UT. And on the basis of investigation so far, we have been able to arrest in all 10 people, and we have been successful in seizing a total quantity of almost 5.5 kgs of heroin packed in 11 packets. We have also been successful in seizing 10 grenades from their possession. We have also been successful in seizing 4 number of pistols with 4 magazines and 20 rounds from this possession. Besides this, some vehicles, including a small LP truck, Verna, a scooty, and other such vehicles have been seized in the case. We have also, in fact, made some arrests. Our teams are currently in Jammu, and they have made some arrests with the assistance of Jammu police also. This all was a joint operation with the army and the CRPF. In this, we were also successful in getting some cash, which in all amounts to around 21.5 lakhs. There is also a couple of checks amounting in all up to 1 lakh. And the total worth of the contraband that has been seized, the drugs that have been seized, is nearing to about 25 to 30 crores in the black market. So in all, this is a big catch for us, and we are hoping that further leads will come out, and we will be able to get a few more arrests in the case.